Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will help you play the iconic love story intro on guitar. First, grab your guitar and a capo. You'll want to place the capo on the 2nd fret. This simple step makes all the difference, allowing you to use much easier open chord shapes that sound just like the original song. It's a fantastic trick for beginners and makes learning this beautiful intro much more accessible and enjoyable. Now let's dive into the essential chords you'll need. With your capo on the 2nd fret, you'll primarily use 4 main shapes: C major, G major, a minor, and an F major. For the F major, many players find an easy F major 7 chord much simpler than a full bar chord. Focus on making your transitions between these 4 chords as smooth as possible. Practice them slowly until they feel natural. The love story intro features a lovely picking pattern. For the C major chord, you'll typically pick strings 5, 3, 2, and 1. When you switch to the G major chord, you'll adjust to picking string 6 as your bass, then 3, 2, and 1. For a minor, return to string 5 as your bass, followed by 3, 2, and 1. Repeat this pattern twice for each chord in the progression to capture that signature sound. To truly master this intro, consistent practice is key. Begin by playing each chord and picking pattern very slowly, ensuring every note rings out clearly and your rhythm is steady. As your fingers build muscle memory and confidence, gradually increase your speed. Don't rush the process. Accuracy comes first. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original recording to match the timing and feel. You'll be playing Love Story beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.